Task number 8, digital signatures and certificates. This task is part of the Encryption Crypto 101 module, which is part of the complete beginner path on TryHackMe. What's a digital signature? Signal, all right. Digital signatures are a way to prove the authenticity of files, to prove who created or modified them. Using asymmetric cryptography, you produce a signature with your private key, and it can be verified using your public key. As only you should have access to your private key, this proves you sign the file. Digital signatures and physical signatures have the same value in the UK legally. The simplest form of digital signatures would be encrypting the document with your private key, and then if someone wants to verify the signature, they would decrypt it with your public key and check if the files match. So you encrypt basically your document. If you want to share your document with someone that's encrypted, you encrypt your document with your private key, which has the digital signature, and the person that you send the file needs to check your file, needs to decrypt your file with the public key, right? And it has to match the digital signature from that, basically. Certificates prove who you are. Certificates are also a key use of public key cryptography linked to digital signatures. A common place where they're used is for HTTPS. How does your web browser know that the server you're talking to is the real TryHackMe.com? The answer is certificates. We've done this on our channel when we have to set also the certificate for burp suit. I think I have a short video for that, specifically made how to enable your certificate burp suit certificate. The web server has a certificate that says it is the real TryHackMe.com. The certificates have a chain of trust, starting with a root CA, certified authority. Root CAs are automatically trusted by your device, OS, or browser from install. Certs below that are trusted because the root CAs say they trust that organization. Certificates below that are trusted because the organization is trusted by the root CA, and so on. There are long chains of trust, right? So it's basically a pyramid of trust, where at the top stays the root. The root basically CA. There are long chains of trust. Again, this blog post explains this much better than I can. Again, here we can see a post, how does HTTPS actually work, which is basically the same link from the above module. Answer: you can get your own HTTPS certificates for domains you own using Let's Encrypt for free. If you run a website, it's worth setting up. Answer the questions below. What can you use to verify that a file has not been modified and it is authentic file as the author intended? Digital signature. Okay, now, as I said, the digital signature is used to prove the authenticity of basically, if we use this website, TryHackMe, right? The digital signature is a proof that we are actually accessing TryHackMe.com. Digital signature is also the proof that when you share a file with someone, they get your file and not someone else's, right? Pretty simple.